quite the look. Hello, can you see me? Alright, it's my man Lance. Back at PB&J. Another episode. What are we doing today, partner?
Alright, so I took my seat out a little while ago. I don't remember what I took it out for. Oh, I remember what I took it out for. I was putting that amp in the back. So I took the seat out so I could put the amp in. When I was putting the seat back in, I used the torque wrench a little too much power
torquey.
And snapped the head right off of one of my bolts on the seat. So we're going to start off by taking off the door, pulling the seat, kind of assessing what we need to do. But the goal here is, and I say it's the goal, we're just going to tack on a nut to the top of the bolt and then see if we just can't back that nut and bolt out to put the new bolt in.
Okay.
So that's what we're going to attempt to do today.
Easy peasy, right?
Every time we say that, every time easy peasy, 3 hours later, that's where we're going to be.
We have a goal. We have a goal.
If we can get this under 3 hours, I think that would be an accomplishment, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It'd be a first for anything we've done. So
that's right.
3 hours or less for easy stuff. All right, let's get it going. One door gone. Nice angle.
Sit in there perfect.
It's
Perfect.
okay.
Right. Yeah, I got an 18 millimeter. All right, I don't need this on right now.
I don't know. I think that looks pretty damn cool.
Yeah, I just don't need to flop around in my head.
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks like those have come out before.
One out,
Obviously.
2 out. Okay, now let's slide the seat forward. This is where it's going to get a little tricky because for some reason my seat belt, or my seat's not reclining or declining, inclining or declining, I should say. So we're going to go in this way.
Going in from the back?
Going in from the back.
I always like that.
You always like it. That's here.
More of a challenge. Which, you know. Oh, yep. Got to unload first, as always.
All right.
Got to get the kitchen sink there.
Get around my box belt. All right. And once I get this one out, I should be able to pull the seat then. Okay, that one's out. Now you gotta disconnect the wire from underneath.
It's only 3, hold yours.
What in the world is that?
Jeez. Man, lunch.
PB&J.
PB&J sandwich tucked away. You never know, right?
You never know. All right, so I got a lockbox under here, so I'm gonna just shift that out of the way. So then I can get to this little clip down here. There's a little
That's
clip
for
here.
your seatbelt light.
Probably should disconnect the battery. I'm gonna have to disconnect the battery at some point.
Say that.
Yeah, so I just took the screwdriver and kind of went in on the top little slot and kind of just pushed in on it, and it popped that other clip out.
Yeah. So, as usual, those clips always cost you about 5 minutes.
Well, that's a good fuse.
Yeah, you never know. Find an old fuse laying around. Wondering. Alright, so got the seat out.
Seat out.
Wide open spaces now.
Back bolt back there.
Yes. Nice. That's excellent work right there. Just you broke it off nice and smooth. There's nice and smooth break. Literally hardly nothing sticking up.
Thanks.
So,
Thanks.
hell of a job.
The plan is to take this nut, hold it right there, and then come in and give it a couple tacks to see if I can't back the nut out. That's the plan. So before I do that though, I want to pull back this carpet. I think everybody, when they take their Jeep and they rip out the seat, it's got to look like this, right?
Absolutely.
There's got to be leaves. There's got to be like
A few
dirt.
peanut butter and jelly wrappers, sandwich wrappers underneath, maybe a
Right.
sandwich, just
Always
for
a
what if.
sandwich, right? That's for stuff. All right, so here's the fuel vapor box. If I pull this down, but you look right behind it, like right here, I believe that's the seat bolt that comes through here. I can feel some threads on it, so I'm thinking maybe we come in from underneath and put a tack on it and just go ahead and back it out. Might be a lot easier doing it this way than trying to do it from above. So this will be perfect here. If I pull a little tack that I can just back the bolt out of the hole, go put the seat back in, put that back in. First I want to look at the seat before I do that, but I think that's the ticket right there, coming from underneath.
I agree.
Alright, so since I'm going to hook up my welder to the frame so I get my negative charge off of here, I want to disconnect my battery just to play it safe. I don't want anything feeding back into the battery or frying anything else in the Jeep. So I'm going to go ahead and disconnect my battery just to play it safe.
Now, correct me if I'm wrong, but this is the first test, right?
For this welder?
Yep.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Brand new. Never used before.
Perfect. He doesn't know it, but he's gonna be using it on my front axle here soon. Yes.
By no means is that a professional tack. could give that maybe a 5 out of 10. Someone else could give it a 2 out of 10. I really don't care. For me, I'm going to call it a 5 out of 10.
I call it mission accomplished.
You know what I'm going to do? You know what I'm going to do right now?
What's that, brother?
I'm going to pull out the vacuum. I'm gonna give
Whoa.
give it a little vacuum. So
I like that.
if you just
Always clean when in.
Little Gulches right here. Little Hot Springs, Arkansas right here. Little River Rock over here. Yeah, it's all in there.
You miss Windrock.
Oh, Windrock.
Windrock's over there.
Windrock. You get that Windrock out of there.
Oh, Beasley's Knob. You just got it.
Whoop, let me get Beasley's in there.
Yep.
All right, we got everything situated. I got vacuumed. I got some wires tucked in on my rock veil. Now it's time to put the seat back in. That was close.
Ooh-wee.
Ooh, yeah, that was really close. We gotta connect the battery. And then put the door back in.
Oops.
What's another ding and scratch in the door? Nothing Tread Lightly hasn't done.
Yeah. I like the fact that you're not concerned with the house damage, the garage door. Strictly the Jeep door.
Yeah.
Right.
All right. I'd always say to people, when you take your door off and you put your door back on, always connect this back up. I know it takes just a second to do it, but you're going to say, oh, I'm going to take my doors off again tomorrow. The problem is when you forget about it, or you come back the next day and you didn't connect it, and you decided not to put your doors on, if you have your mirror attached, it's going to swing around and put a dent right there. And you know how I know this? It's because I have a dent right there.
Yeah.
And so any Jeep you see, anybody that's got a dent right there, the reason is they didn't connect that back up. And shame on me.
Shame. Yeah, and the other point, you forget about it, go to open your door somewhere, the car beside you, they get a dent.
Nice.
Yeah, nice. When it swings all the way.
Then, feels pretty good, not loose. So I'm happy with that. I wish I could get the back seat taken care of, or the recliner taken care of, but that'll have to be for another day. But keep on watching. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Yeah, it looks good.
It is. It's really good.